How to change wallpaper on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your wallpaper on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to change your wallpaper on iPhone is very simple. If you are using the latest iOS 17 update, you can swipe down from your control panel, long press to get this type of interface and choose between many wallpapers, or you can tap the plus icon from the bottom as well in order to view a list of suggested wallpapers, and you can see all the wallpapers over here. And if you want to also use suggested ones, that's fine, or you can select a custom photo from here and you should be able to select those wallpapers. Now, in case you are using the older iOS version and you don't have these options, you can open settings as well and go to home screen and library, or go to wallpaper section, and you should be able to set between different types of wallpapers. This way you can change your wallpaper on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.